Hey kids, hope you're all well. So we're back today for a regular review video. This is something I picked up a few weeks ago. It's the Campus Crafted. As you can see, it's a big box set. So this was the collaboration with Sneakers ER, and it's a very nice collaboration too. All in all, as a set. I think there were 3 pairs of shoes in this release. There was the Campus, there was the Gazelle, and one other that I can't think off the top of my head. Probably the best box set release since you go back to the W1s, the Adicolor W1s, and also, of course, the king of them all, the Micro Pacer hamper. But as I say, it's a really nice set, as you can see, massive box here. So it comes in 2 drawers. You've got the shoe drawer at the bottom, and you do have the Sneakers ER drawer, if you like, at the top. So I'm going to pull both of these out now. We'll take a look at what's inside, and yeah, have a look for yourselves. Now, before we go any further, I would say that these, when they came out, probably 10-12 months ago, they were quite anticipated. However, they were also overpriced. So they cost £200 back then, and as a consequence, I think, of the pricing, they didn't do well at all. They didn't sell very well. So the good news is, recently there was a lot of overstock of this stuff, and I actually got this for less than half price. So I think a fair original retail price would have been about £140, you know, something like that. Certainly not the 200 that they originally priced at. But yeah, so you can get these for less than £100 now, and considering what you get in the package, yeah, it's pretty good. Anyway, let's have a look at the Sneakers ER drawer out of the box. And as you can see here, it's a nicely packaged set. So first thing to look at is the card. A nice information card, and then you do have the goodies within. So let's pop this one out here. First one is premium sneaker cleaner. Quite a large bottle as well. It's quite good to see. So the second piece out there is got a protector. Separately in the box, you do have the spray nozzle. What else have you got in here? You just got a contents card. Shows you what's in the box, like what this video is all about, really. You've got a cleaning brush, nice quality. You got another horsehair, by the looks of it, cleaning brush. You've got microfiber cloth here, and also you've got an extra pair of laces in the box here. So it's a nice package. So you get plenty in the box. I mean, this really makes the set for me. Yeah, well worth it. Right, now I'll kick on to the shoes, okay, and show you what they're all about and my opinion of them. Right, so now let's look at the second part of the package, which is, of course, the shoes. So the Campus are in here. Now, as with the other box, there is an information card here, which is worth reading. Actually, is quite prevalent to the shoe. So, as this tells you, these are made with like a traditionally worked leather from a traditional tannery, Charles Stead. So they are different, and the leather is different to what you might be used to. So it's not a processed leather or patent leather or anything like that. So I'll just get the shoes out so we can have a look. here we go. So they do come in this olive green with a nice actual contrast to the sole unit. You do have a gold embossed or gold labelled shoe. Really nice campus motif there. Now what I would say about the leather on these, it's absolutely soft to the touch. Really, the video won't do this justice, the actual feel of the leather. Okay, now what you will notice about the leather as well, it does have a lot of this marbling effect that you can probably see there. I think every pair of shoes from this range that I've seen is different. It is due to the leather not being your processed type, so there are a lot of what you might say are imperfections in the leather. And there's some lovely detail on the insole. Again, full leather on this. So if you do get a pair, you will expect imperfections. Every pair I've seen has these, to what I understand. So, you know, don't be disappointed in that sense if you do pick up a pair. So toe to tongue on these, and really plain. Again, you can pick up some more imperfections if you like on the shoe here, and that is due to the unprocessed nature of the leather. We have a look underneath. I mean, it's a nice autumn winter shoe, this one, just because of the colourway, the olive green, really nice. So that's it, guys. Really, it was just a quick look at these. You can get these on sale now. Places like M&M Direct have them, for example. So if you do like the look of these, I mean, especially as a package, I think for less than £100, it's a really good price. The Gazelles, I think, are sold out everywhere now. I didn't mind getting these because I've not got many campus silhouettes in the collection. So yeah, thanks for watching as always, guys. Yeah, take care of yourselves. There will be more on the way. Do us a favour, just drop us a subscription if you like this kind of thing, because you know that will encourage me to do more. As always, yeah, take care of yourselves, and I will catch you next time for a new vid. Cheers.